Question? Yes? Maybe while we were going over homework and you didn't have any questions, that would have been a better time. All right. So here we've been asked to find the measures of all of these angles. And I said if you wanted an additional challenge, try to find them in order. In other words, try to find angle A first, then angle B, then C, then D, then E. I'm not entirely sure that you can do all of them in that order, but I think you can at least start that way.
Key fob is still like closed.
Yeah, it's right back there where it always is. So did anyone figure out a way that you can find angle A without finding any other angles first? Yes, Melody.
You can look at the bigger triangle and add 71
Yeah, that's exactly right. See how this big triangle is there? And we know 2 out of the 3 angles. So she's exactly right. If we just add those two together and subtract that from 180, angle A is going to be 69 degrees. Nicely done. Angle B doesn't require that you know anything new. How can we find angle A quickly and easily? Yes, sir.
We know that like that angle or the whole thing is B and 133 is going to equal 180, so you can just subtract 180 from 133.
Yes, exactly right. And why is that? What kind of angles are these?
I forgot the name of that.
Linear,
Linear.
linear pair. Yeah, exactly. We take 180 minus 133 is 47. So this one is 69. This will be 47. Now, if you know the angle at A and the angle B, you can find angle C without finding any other angles first. Now, you can do it by finding another angle first, but you can find angle C one step. Adding what?
A and B.
Yes. Because, do you remember the names for that? If you don't, it's okay. Just say so.
I just read it in the worksheet and I forgot the name of it.
Okay, Molly?
Remote angle? Or the C is a remote angle, right?
So C is an exterior angle because it's outside the triangle.
And if you add the two
They're the
interior
remote
remote angles.
Yeah, these are the remote interior angles. I guess you could say that C is remote from them, but typically we call this the exterior and these the two remote interiors. So yeah, y'all are both right. We just add those together. And C is 116. We can likewise find D in one step. You can do it by first finding this acute angle inside the triangle that has the D and the 47 in it, but you can also do it with a single step.
The inverse of the one that we just did now.
Yeah, the reverse of what we just did. 140 is an exterior angle, and the D and the 47 are the remote interiors, so if we take 140 minus 47, that's 93, and D is 93. So we can find them in order. We haven't found E yet. And E is the only one where you have to find some other angle first before you can do anything else. I don't see any other way to work that particular one. So, like I said, a couple of different ways that you can do this. We could go, okay, this angle's got to be 47, right? Either by a linear pair or by vertical angles, either way. And let's see, this angle is going to be 93 by vertical angles. So 93 and 40 makes 133. So this angle's 133. So this angle's 47. And you could do 47 and 47 added together, subtracted from 180, or you could go, okay, this 133 out here should be equal to this 47 plus E. So you could just subtract. So this angle is 86 degrees. Any questions about any of those? All right, now I had you do that, to try and think of the fastest way to do it. You don't always have to do it the fastest way. There's nothing wrong with just, if you aren't sure what to do next, just find any angle that you can find. Okay? And that's how we're going to approach the one on the back. We're just going to find any angle that we can find, and then we'll work from there. There are a couple of angles that you should be able to find pretty quickly. Some of the other ones take a bit more time. So I'd be happy to have suggestions about any either lettered angle or any other angle that we can find in this picture right now. Yes, ma'am.
You can take the 60 at the top and the right angle, which is 90 degrees.
Uh-huh.
And use that to find N.
Yes. What's the fast way to find M? So I can do it in just one.
90 minus 60.
Yeah. In a right triangle, the two acute angles always add up to 90. So M is 30. Good. All right, what other angles can we find? Again, lettered or not, you're not going to be able to immediately find all of the lettered angles. Yes, Molly?
You can then go down to the 40 in the right angle
Yep.
and do 90 minus 40 and use that as the vertical angle to N.
Yeah. So then that means N is also 50 degrees. Excellent. Well, now let's go on from there. And this is where it starts to get, I think, a little bit harder. You can't find anything directly. You have to find other things. Yes?
Okay, so like with the 70, how there's a line going across the bottom, which leads to a right angle, and the line coming through, which leads to a right angle. Would that also mean the 70 has a right angle in it?
No,
No?
not necessarily. Not unless we knew that this line was parallel to this line or this line. Yes, Ian?
Is the 70 degrees, is it on the,
It's right here.
okay.
Yeah, I wish they had made that a little bit smaller. So if you get stuck, find easy angles to find. There are at least, 4 or 5 that are easy to find that are not lettered. Yes?
Okay, we got 3 of those right triangles. We can have 94.
Well, there's actually 5 right triangles, but yes.
Well, we already have 2 of them.
Okay, so what are you saying?
We put the 90 there.
Okay, no, I'm not putting 90 in where the box is. We all know that. That's already, we already know that angle. Okay, I'm going to start calling on people in just a second. Find an easy angle. Yes, sir.
30 to 112.
I'm sorry.
30 to 112 has vertical angles.
Okay, so this 112 has a vertical angle. So this is 112. And the 30 also has a vertical angle. Thank you. When you get stuck, find anything you can. You have an idea for me now, Kyle?
No.
Okay. Yes, Molly.
You can use the 112 and subtract that from 180 and find 68 inside.
Okay. So that would make this angle 68 and also this angle 68, right?
Yes.
Now that we have those two 68s, you can find angle P and angle T immediately. How could you find angle P using this 68? Yes.
So like you find the last angle by
N- Immediately. You're right, you can do that, but there's a much faster way. Well, okay. It's still 2 steps. Go ahead. What were you going to say?
you add the 60 to 30, and then you take that number minus 180.
Okay. So 68 and 30 is 98. From 180 is what, 82?
And then you use the vertical angles.
Okay. So P is 82. Good. We can find angle T without finding anything else.
Add the 50 and the 68 and then subtract from 180.
Don't need to subtract from 180.
Oh.
Just add those two. T is the exterior angle to that triangle. So 50 plus 68 is 118. That's the measure of angle T. Well, let's notice, again, more vertical angles, like Jose pointed out for us earlier. If this one's 70, so is this one.
So Q is 82 plus 70. 180 minus 82 plus 70.
Okay, 82 plus 70 is 152. Oh, that means this angle's 152, doesn't it?
No.
Yeah, no, listen to what I just said. This angle is 152. I am right. Please don't say no when I've said something like that.
Sorry.
So, then I can subtract that from 180. So this is, Q is 28. Is my math right?
Yes.
It's not right?
Sorry, I was thinking about mine.
Okay. So Q is 28. Do we need to keep going out into this triangle?
No.
Not really. I can now find angle S without finding any other angles. I can find angle S without finding any other angles. Let me give you a hint. I'm going to use angle N, and I'm going to use angle Q.
It's an exterior angle to the big triangle.
It is. It's an exterior angle to this big triangle. So all I need to do to find that is add 50 and 28, and this angle is 78. I can also find this angle right here without finding any other angles first. Yes.
30.
Okay. Why?
Cause I remember you went over the lesson with with the T, it's like the two things the furthest away from it equal it.
There's a lot of it's in that statement. Let's see if we can use the right terms. What kind of an angle is this? Since it's outside the triangle, that's a hint.
Outerior.
Try one more time.
Exterior.
It's an exterior angle, and these are the two.
Interior.
Well, there's three interior. These are the two remote
Inside.
interior. They're remote interior because they're away from this angle. So yeah, your math needs a little work though. It's not 30, it's 40.
You
Yes.
can also use the two angles from the big triangle to get it. 112 and 28.
I'm sorry, which big triangle?
The one stretching across this.
From, you said from the 112?
Q 112. 28 and 112.
So you're talking about like here?
Yeah.
And then down to here?
Yeah.
Yep,
You could use those in yours.
you're absolutely right. We could do that also. 112 and 28 is 140 from 180 leaves me 40. Yes.
I figured out R.
Okay, tell me about how to find R.
So it's another triangle with the 112 down to 50, and then across over to like the 70.
Okay, the 112.
Down
Which 112? This
that
one?
Like at the top. Wait. What's the one to the right of 112?
To the right of this one?
No, to the right?
To the right. That is to the right.
No, but like where the 112 is?
Yeah?
See how it's inside of a little weird box looking thing?
Wait, this one, wait, this 112?
No, the one on the inside.
This one. Oh, you're talking about this angle?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how could you find that angle?
112.
What kind of angles are these two angles?
Oh, congruent. No, of course, no, supplementary.
Why?
Because they're like on a flat line.
Yeah, so that makes them a, we've talked about it today once already,
Linear pair.
a linear pair, yes. This angle is going to be 92.
98.
Oh, 98, thank you. And then how can we use that to help us find R?
We add those, so we add 98 and N, which is 148.
N is 50. Oh,
The equal 148.
oh, the sum is 148, okay.
And then
So that means this angle is 148, okay.
And then like you have like the last angle equal 32.
The last, oh, in this triangle?
Mm-hmm.
Or you could just find that this one's 32 directly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
My math was wrong and I still got 32.
okay.
So
It happens sometimes.
I
And the only one left that we haven't found, I think, is U. So this angle's 40. So do 90 minus 40 is 50 for angle U. Okay, any questions about that? Okay,